Yeah.
Yeah, my friend, before I think you must have been to the supermarket like the Walmart, like the Metro, like the Costco and other different supermarket. But I'm sure you have not been to
Gearbox.
Gearbox supermarket. So today here at the AOKMAN Gearbox supermarket, I will show you all different kinds of gearbox and gearbox,
Yeah.
and in different industries, especially for the heavy industry, the mining industry, the cement
Cement.
industry, metal,
Sugar mill.
sugar mill, and also the metal and the construction industry. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's put this.
This is very beautiful, Leo. And I saw it's our standard gearbox, right?
Yes, you are right. This is a standard Z1 series gearbox for the heavy industry.
So which industry or equipment will be applied in for this gearbox?
Yeah, I know. This gearbox is for the mining industry, ball mill.
Okay.
And this gearbox actually is auxiliary drive.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is the auxiliary drive for the main drive. Yesterday we
Yes.
have the live show
Yes,
yet.
in
Okay.
another workshop we have the main drive.
Okay. So how about its technical parameter?
Yeah, about the technical information, yeah, that's the camera near the nameplate. I will show you.
Lilian,
Okay, Lilian, how about
come here,
come here?
please.
Yeah.
See the
And
technical
let's see the
parameter
details
here.
of the nameplate. You can see this is Altman drive. This is our drone, and all Altman drones with the same and the model is ASY 630. And this is the visual image. And this you can see the input power is 200. And for the main drive, the input power is 3,500. And you can see this is the input RPM is 900. And then is the ratio. Yeah, this is also our output one. You can see our logo.
Yeah, that's perfect. And also, I would like to know, see this housing color is very beautiful,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
So is there any special design for this?
Yes.
Usually.
Yes, you usually see the details. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, this color is a customized color. Yeah, for the standard color, we usually use the blue and the gray color.
Okay.
But for this one, we use a special color. And actually, this is we use the spray painting process, a new painting process.
It's my understanding here.
Yeah.
So this is a new technology for the painting, right?
Yes, you are right.
And just like a very shining with the like the orange peel have the fine here, right?
Yes.
And also very shining.
Oh yes. And Maya, do you know how many layers about AOKMAN, the color?
You mean the painting?
Yeah, the painting color.
I think I will repeat for. I think yesterday I learned some of that. So you only have 3 layers,
Yeah,
right?
3.
First the white for the premier painting.
Yeah.
The second is the red for the anti-rust, and the third is this one blue
Yeah,
for the
blue.
service painting, right? We
Yes.
have 3 layers.
Yes, you are right, totally right.
Okay, Liu, I still have another question for the housing.
Yeah.
You see the housing here is uneven, not a flat
flat.
one. So down, up, then down, up. What's that for?
Yeah, you are so careful. Yeah, this is also a special design through our AOKMAN engineers. It has 2 advantages. The first is it's very helpful to the use second, we consider the glass point. You can just imagine if there is only one surface, and so there is only one surface to three surface. The surface of the heat dissipation increase, and then the gearbox will running very well. And for the another, you can see another is the surface of the surface of the stress point increase, and then the load of the gearbox will decrease. So these are two the advantages of this design. Yeah.
Two advantages.
Yeah.
First, I think I get the point. So if imagine that if it's a flat,
Yeah.
there is just one surface to help the heat dissipation, right?
Yeah.
But with the up and down, it will become three. So there will be increase the volume for the heat dissipation, right?
Yes,
And
you got it.
also, the second is also consider the stress point.
Yeah, the stress point.
It's already designed before the production. Our
Yeah.
R&D engineer already consider the stress point.
Yes,
right?
yes,
Oh,
definitely.
That's so great. I so love this flat. No, unflat, inflat
Yeah.
surface. It will help help for the prolong the service life of the
Yes.
whole gearbox.
Yeah.
Just like that. Gearbox is gear, half box,
Yeah,
right?
half gear, half big gearbox.
Yeah. If the box is with the best quality, I think the whole gearbox will be, mostly will increase the service span, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. I still have another question. What's the numbers here?
Yeah, this technique is the strength of the both. Yeah, according the different gearbox loads, and this data will be different. Like if there is a very big load, we will use a big strong bolt, and like this, you can see it's 8.8.
Yeah, 8.8.
Yeah.
I think that will be a higher strength for the heavy-duty gearbox, right?
Yes, you can see the size of this gearbox. Actually, for our ZY series gearbox, this is one of the most is the biggest model. But for the standard, we can also do some customized design.
No, I think I think 710 is the biggest one.
Oh, yeah. You're right. We have
This is
a
the
bigger one.
630.
Yeah.
But for the standard size,
Standard, yeah.
the biggest module will be 710,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Okay, just near the biggest size.
Yeah.
Okay. Also, I find this thing.
Yeah,
What is here?
this is oil glass. We can through it, we can see the oil condition.
Okay.
Like if the oil is less than the middle, then we need to add the oil. But if the oil level is higher than the middle, then it's enough, and it means it's good.
Okay, let me repeat it again. If my understanding is right or not. This is the oil glass, which will show the oil level, right?
Yes.
If the oil level in the middle, that means the oil inside is enough.
Yes.
If lower the middle level, that means we will fill in more oil inside.
Yes, you are right. We need to add more oil to let the gearbox running normally.
Yeah, that also enough oil will smooth the gear rotating, right?
Yes.
And also, let me see something here.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's not a circle, the mounting hole.
Yes, you are right. There is another special design of this gearbox.
Okay.
Actually, usually for the gearbox, the mounting hole is a circle, like a circle.
Yeah, just
but,
one circle, just
Yes.
one.
but for this is a slot. That's different. Yeah, just imagine if there is in a hole, there is only one mounting point. But if there is a slot, the mounting slot, the mounting point can increase 2 to 3 points.
Okay.
Yeah, it's more flexible to mounting.
And also flexible to move them,
Yes.
right? Because we have so many mounting points. If there is just one mounting circle hole, we
Yeah.
just have the one point
Yes.
to mount it. But if you have the slot, there will be 2 or 3 mounting position for flexible moving or flexible the mounting, right?
Yes, it's more flexible, and this is designed also by our engineer team.
Okay, that's so wonderful.
Yes, AOKMAN has more than 300 engineers. Yeah, so
Okay.
this is our students.
Okay, so how about see this
Yeah.
surface is not a flat also, it's a slope.
Yeah, slope.
Well, is there any reason for that?
Yes, you are so careful. Yeah, you see all the details of this gearbox.
I just want to see more details to
Yeah.
let our customer know more designs and our ability for consider the different requirements, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah, for this slope, actually, the existing mounting base is enough to bear the load of this
Okay.
gearbox. So our engineer, in order to save the material, yeah, we cutting it as a slope. This can not only this can save this can not only save the material, but also we save the cost for our clients.
okay,
Yeah.
that's so. Also considering the stress point is enough, and
Yeah.
so they cut the rest the material for saving cost. Okay, that's the design. So let our camera come this way. I want
Yeah,
to
come
show
here.
more details here. Because now in our the warehouse we have each day we have many trucks
Yes.
to load the gearbox inside and outside. So we need to some space for our truck. So Leo, see
Yeah.
this little thing. What's
Yeah.
that for?
This is a jack screw. Yeah, do you know how to use it?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Jack screw.
Yeah, this is a jack screw. So you know, yeah, for this big gearbox, if we want to maintain it,
Okay.
it's very hard to open the gearbox housing because it's very heavy and big. So just use this jack screw. We screw it, and it will very help us to easily open the gear housing, the upper housing, and the down housing. Yeah, just like this. We screw it, and then it easily can open the gearbox housing.
So my understanding here,
Yeah.
it's a screw, jack screw.
Jack screw.
Jack screw. When you need to maintain the gearbox or
Yeah.
want to check the inside of the gearbox,
Yeah.
you need to first to screw it tight, then separate first
Yeah.
the upper and the lower housing,
Yeah.
right part. Then there will be lose another bolt here, right?
Yes, and then we can open the gearbox housing and see the
Easily.
inside.
As I know, when they shut down the housing, two-part housing together,
Yes.
they also painting some glue inside for next painting, right?
Yes.
Because that will be make the painting more smooth. So that will be need the jack screw to separate first.
Yes,
right?
that's the main
Okay.
purpose of this jack
Okay, I
screw.
got that. This is the lifting knob, I
Yeah,
think,
it
right?
helps to lifting the gearbox. Yeah, very
Yeah.
easy and convenient.
I also find that the housing here is a split one, right? Not
Yes.
integrated.
Yes, you are you are right. Yeah, this is a split housing. Yeah, actually we have two housing. The first is a split housing like this, and we also have the generated one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Do you know the advantage of this split one?
I have no idea. Please share it with me.
Yeah, actually for the split housing, we can easily open the gearbox housing and do some maintenance work, or see the internal structure of this gearbox. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine.
And another advantage is actually the split housing is more strong than the generated one.
Is that?
And usually for the small model, we use the generated one housing. Yeah.
Okay, I got that. So the split housing first is for the easier maintenance.
Yes.
Second is the what?
Second is the second is for small. We will usually use the generated one.
Okay. Yeah. For small size, we use
small size.
Generated one. Integrated one.
Yes.
And for the large size, we will use the split one.
Yeah.
Okay. Easier for the maintenance.
Yeah, separated the house.
Okay. See, I find thing interesting here.
Yeah.
What's this for?
Yeah, this is a backstop.
Backstop.
Yeah. Actually, for the working machine that need to only rotate at one direction, like the conveyor belt. Yeah, we only want it to rotate at one direction. We will use this backstop.
Okay, let me imagine that. So when we use the conveyor belt to deliver the cargoes go up, right?
Yes.
So we just need to rotate in one direction.
In one direction.
But if the power is off, without the backstop, the thing or cargoes will down.
Yeah, it's very dangerous.
That was dangerous. So
yeah.
Under that situation, we need this backstop.
Yes, you're right.
Once the power shut off, then it can stop the conveyor rolling down.
Rolling down, yeah.
Ah, great.
Yeah.
What's this for? This one?
Yeah, this is the Tokyo arm. Actually, for the backstop, we have usually have three types.
For mounting.
For mounting, yeah. The first is like this type. This is a Tokyo arm type, and we have
torque arm.
Torque arm.
Okay,
yeah.
Torque arm.
And we also have the flange type.
Flange mounted.
Yes, and have the foot mounting type.
Foot mounted.
Yes.
Okay, maybe later we will show how to foot mounted. Right?
Yes, and you can see this is installed in the second stage.
Oh yes.
Second shaft.
Backstop was installed in the middle, the second stage, right?
Yeah. It's different to install in the different stage. Just like usually the clients will more prefer to install the backstop in the first shaft or the middle stage, because it can save the cost.
Okay.
But we more introduce into install the backstop in the last stage. Yeah, in the output shaft.
Output shaft.
Yes,
Okay,
because
why?
Because in this output shaft, it can leave the gear when the working machine stop. Yeah, when the working machine stop, it can stop very fast. Yeah,
okay.
And then it can prevent the gearbox and let it has a very long service life.
Okay, so for the backstop installed for the first or the second stage, it will help the cost saving.
Yes.
But for long term, we recommend the backstop installed on the output shaft side.
Yes.
Because it will stop if some emergency happens, it will stop the working machine with at enemy rapidly. Yeah, so it will help protect
the
gear inside.
Yes, you are right.
That is cost effective.
Yes.
Okay, I got that.
And you can see here is the red color arrow.
Arrow.
Yeah, usually if we install a backstop, yeah, there is a way, we will also have a arrow to show the direction of the shaft.
Oh, you mean when there is a backstop here,
Yeah.
there will be a red arrow to show the output shaft rotation
Yes.
direction.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, great. That's so wonderful. And let me see. Wow. This little thing, very
Yes.
interesting.
This is like a cap, right?
Yeah, like a cap.
This
What's
is
that
an air bracer. You know, when the gearbox running, it will produce many heat. Then the heat, actually, the heat will dissipate from here, and
Okay.
we can open it and show you.
Okay, open it. I would like to know more details and what's inside.
Okay, here, let's camera near here. Yeah, you can see this is air brace, and there is a filter.
Also filter, yeah, I see.
The filter can filter the eyebrows from the like some oil eyebrows or the iron filings.
Filings.
Yes.
Yeah, I got you.
So-
That's so thoughtful.
So if the gearbox running, sometimes we need to clean it. Yeah.
Okay, I see that. Also, I think this cap, this little cap,
Yes.
will show the dust outside the gearbox, right?
Yes, you are right.
Okay. That's the hole there.
Yeah.
Is that for oil inlet? I mean, if you change the oil inside.
Yes, it has two effects. The first is to for
air breather.
Yes, and the second
Second is-
we can add the oil by it.
Okay, great. So can you show me where can I have the oil drain? Let
Yes,
the oil
of course.
outside.
Okay, let's see the oil drain hole.
Okay.
Yeah, here. Let's the camera near here.
Oh, Lilian,
Yeah.
help us here.
You can see here is the oil drain hole.
Oh, oil drain hole.
Yeah.
So open it, the oil can come out.
Yeah, actually for this gearbox, if we need to change the oil, for the first time, it will run about 300 hours.
Okay.
Yeah, when we will change the oil.
Uh-huh.
And after that, about 2,600 hours.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we need to change the oil.
Oh, it sounds very professional. So
Yes.
for the change the oil, there must be hours needed,
Yes,
right?
for the first- yeah.
For the fresh oil inside must be after 300
300
hours.
hours.
For the second, they change the fresh oil about 2,300 around hours,
Yes.
right? That's so great. So there is some plate, two plates here.
Yes.
What's that for?
Yeah, this cover plate. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
we can open it.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, if we want to, if we open the housing upper
Uh-huh.
and the down, it's very hard.
Yeah.
So if we just want to know the working condition inside the gearbox, we
Uh-huh.
can open this cover plate.
Okay, I got
And,
your,
yeah.
what you are
And
meaning.
through it, we can see the internal gear, how it's running, and if there is something abnormal.
Okay, that means if something if the gearbox have the big vibration or big noise,
Yes.
so we may open this cover plate to
Yes.
check the inside working condition. If
Yes.
there's some just little problem here, maybe we can throw this big hole to
To see,
repair or
yeah,
to
see and check the
Okay.
condition
Okay,
inside
I
the
got it.
gearbox.
So wonderful. That's so amazing, wonderful. And I also find that there is no cooling system.
Yes, you are
Wow.
right. Yes, you are so careful. Yeah, this gearbox it do not have the cooling system because the thermal capacity is enough. So we don't need a cooling system.
Okay, that means the thermal capacity is enough already.
Yes.
So we don't need any the cooling system.
Yes.
Okay, I got you. So great. Will you show me more?
Yes,
Let's go.
okay, yeah, next one. Because this is the AOKMAN supermarket,
Yeah.
there are many different kinds of gearbox.
Okay, that's
yeah,
so
next
wonderful.
one.
Wow, that's so amazing. What's like that? It's like a house.
Yeah, yes, it's like a house.
Oh, with
Many tubes.
tubes. And
Yes.
what's that for?
And it looks very special, right?
yeah, what's
Yes.
that for?
For this gearbox, it's used for the metal metal mill, and for the rolling machine. You can see there is a one. This one is the input shaft.
With one input shaft.
Yes.
Okay.
And it has 4 output shafts.
A 4 output shaft.
Yeah, 4 output
Let's see
shafts.
The 4. Where is the 4 output shaft? Wow.
Yeah.
That's so strange. You
Yeah.
know, Liu, as I know,
Yeah.
usually for the gearbox,
Mm.
it comes with one input shaft,
Yeah.
one output shaft. Also, the input shaft diameter will smaller than the output shaft diameter, right?
Yes.
But this opposite.
Yes, this is different. You can see, yeah, this is depends on the working machine. It's used for the steel milling and the rolling machine. The rolling machine has 4 shafts. Yeah, 4 roller.
4 roller.
Yeah.
So it's just like a multi-shaft distribution gearbox.
Yes, so we need 4 shafts to drive the roller, and then to thinner the steel plate.
Oh, that's help because the 4 roller to press the steel plate more thinner.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And with the and actually this is a patent product by our engineers.
Oh,
Yes.
we already have our patent for this gearbox, right?
Yes.
That's so great. And is there any, the working principle for this, like with they rotating in one direction or rotating the opposite or different?
Yeah, it's
direction?
one direction. This is also depends on the working machine, the rolling machine, because the rolling machine will only rotate in one direction. So the drive our gearbox, the output shaft will rotate in one direction, and because the steel plate will be thinner.
Thinner, yeah.
Yeah.
So
The torque will be less.
Oh, I got what you are meaning. You mean because they will press the steel plate to more thinner.
Yeah.
Maybe the roller they will come the smaller torque, so the torque will be gradually decreased.
Yes.
Is that right?
You are right. With the steel plate thinner, the press of the gearbox, the load of the gearbox will be
Become
small.
smaller.
Yeah. So the
Oh.
torque will be smaller. Yeah.
That's the classic the characters for this distribution gearbox.
Yes.
Because this 4 roller, like this 4 rotation direction, will be just one.
Yeah.
And also they will the torque of each the shaft will gradually decrease.
Yes. You are totally
Oh.
right.
Okay, so that's why we are qualified. Also, we have the ability to own our patent products here, right?
Yes, AOKMAN has more than 300 engineers. Yeah, so a very big designer team. Yeah.
Okay, that's so great. And can you give me a brief about the pipes, tubes here?
The tubes, yeah, you can see another important advantage of this is the tube, many tubes.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually this is cooling. It has 2 effects. The first is the cooling, and another is the lubricate.
Okay.
You can see here.
Okay, what's
Yeah,
that
here,
for?
here will connect with the lubricate oil station.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see when it working, the oil will come out from the gearbox,
Mm-hmm.
and then it come into the lubrication oil station.
Okay, so
Yeah.
you mean this site will connect with a lubrication oil
Lubrication
station?
oil station. Yes.
So the lubrication oil station will cool the oil down.
Cool. Yes, and after the cool and the temperature of the oil will be
Going down.
yeah, going
so
down.
we'll go to lubricate here.
Yes,
Here.
and
Okay.
right here,
Uh-huh.
yeah, this is the oil separator.
Okay.
Yeah, it will separate the oil. Yes, by the tubes, you can see every tubes is one lubricate point.
Wow, so many lubrication points here.
Yes.
I even cannot count how many of that. So amazing. So amazing.
Yeah,
Okay.
through the tubes, it will lubricate the gear and the bearing inside the gearbox.
Oh, that's
Yes.
so wonderful. Oh, I never met this special design before.
Yes, this is a special design. Yeah, just as I said before.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is a patent product, especially special for our customers.
Okay, this is our special design and high-end customization for steel mill, right?
Yes, you are right.
So great, so great. Let our camera give more details, and so wonderful. It's just like a gear house. It's not a gearbox.
Yes, it's like a gear house.
Yeah. Will you show me more surprise about our gearbox supermarket?
Yes, of course. Okay, yeah. Next, we will show you another one. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, look here.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
That is our. It seems our standard, right? Standard.
Yes, this is similar like the before the first one big gearbox. Yeah, we introduced.
But much bigger. I
Yes,
think
it's much bigger. This model is 710. Yes.
Okay, so and let me see. So also, how many stage it has?
Yes. Usually, when we want to know the stage, yeah, we can saw the cover. This cover. Inside the cover there is a gear, and you can count. This is 1, 2, 3, and each two gear will match together, and then consider one stage.
Oh,
So
okay.
there is 3 gear, and then is a second stage.
So
2 stage.
I got here.
Yeah.
So you mean a pair of the gear matched together will be one stage.
Yes.
So there will be one,
Two.
two stages.
Yes.
Great. And also I see the mounting hole here. I think this is our standard.
Yes,
mounting
this
hole.
is different with the first gearbox.
Yeah.
Our standard is the circle hole.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, this is our standard one.
Yes.
So if you know on our standard size, if some customer requests that we want the mounting slot, so we can do that, right?
Yeah, of course we can do that.
So a little customer made design.
Yes.
So it is available, right?
Yes, AOKMAN not only a gearbox supplier, we are also a drive solution provider.
So this output shaft is so big.
Yes, it's very big. Yeah, it's about just let I guess, it's about should be 350 millimeter.
How do you know that?
Just guess, just try.
Your hand is a ruler, right? So what's the hose for? The hose here.
Yeah, because you can see this shaft is very big.
Yeah.
So we make this hole to lift the shaft easily, more easily.
Oh, I got
Yeah.
what you mean. You mean that when we want to let the output shaft out,
Yes.
we must make like a leaking ring, right?
Yes,
Lift the ring.
Yes, we use
screw
a lifting.
inside, then
Yeah.
left the crane to lift up.
Yes.
Oh, for easily. Okay. I also find some special thing here.
Yeah.
Let our camera here come. Yeah, I find there are double input shaft, right?
Yes, this is also a customized design for this gearbox.
Yeah.
Usually, yeah, usually the gearbox only have one input.
One input shaft.
Yes.
So
This is because the clients want to connect with one input shaft is connected with a motor.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
The
and
other one?
another he want to connect with the auxiliary drive.
Okay,
Yeah.
they are
When-
also connected with the
Yes.
auxiliary drive.
When they
Okay.
want to maintain the gearbox, and they will use the auxiliary drive.
Okay, I
Yeah.
got when they need the inspection or some repair
Yeah.
thing, so they will drive. They will let the auxiliary drive open, right?
Yes.
So what's this for?
Yes, this is also to connect with the lubricate oil station. You can
Oh,
see
oil
this
station.
is the oil inlet.
It is oil drain, oil
Yeah,
outlet.
oil
Outlet.
outlet. Yeah, not
Yeah.
inlet. I'm wrong. Yeah,
This
the
outlet.
oil will come out from this outlet and then into the lubricate oil station.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then after cooling, right?
Then after cooling, the oil will then into the gearbox
Uh-huh.
and
Yeah.
Yeah.
So through this pipe,
yeah, through this type.
enter into
Yeah,
different.
and you can also see many different tubes.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah. For this gearbox, it totally has eight lubricate points. You can-
Eight.
yeah, eight.
Great. Why?
You can see
This
it
one is
lubricates the bearing. Yeah, you can
Bearings.
see. Yeah,
Okay.
and this is also lubricates the bearing.
Okay.
Yeah, no, this is different.
Why?
You can see. Yeah, it's between the two gear, and it lubricates the gear inside the
Okay.
gearbox.
Okay, I got one. Yeah, this also I got. This one is for lubricating the bearings inside.
Yes, you're right.
I'm so clever.
Yeah.
And also, when the oil coming down,
Yeah.
it's just like dip, or it's a spray out.
No, splat.
Spray.
Yeah,
You mean
spray.
oil
Yeah,
spray.
it's spray.
For the
Yeah.
large scale lubrication, right?
Yeah, because the gearbox running very fast, it need to splat.
Oh,
Not the
splash.
Yes.
Splash. Okay, I got that. I find one most smaller interesting here.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, actually, yeah, this is the hole of the locating pin.
Oh,
Yeah,
for the
locating
locating pin.
Yeah, when we need to assemble the gearbox, the upper housing and the down housing,
Careful.
yeah, it's no problem. Yeah, when we need to assemble the upper housing and the down housing,
down
yeah,
housing.
we will first screw this. Yeah, actually, there is also have the bolts.
Like bolts.
Yeah, bolts.
screw.
We will first screw these bolts.
So the position will be rightly
Yes, and
fixed.
yes, and then to screw other the bolts, and this can ensure all the bolts will locate in the right
position.
place. Yes.
Oh, that's great. So this locating pin is for shut the box
Yes.
down, and this jack screw is for opening.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, get the meaning. So wonderful. Okay, let's go. Let's share more. Share
Yeah.
more. Share
Yeah,
more
okay.
details here.
See here. Yeah, look here.
Here, I find one interesting.
Yes, this is yeah.
What's this for? Let me show more details
Yes.
for. Yeah. Oh, okay. There are so many lubrication grease here.
Yes, open.
Yeah, okay.
It's no problem, and you can see, yeah, this is a hollow shaft.
Yeah, hollow shaft.
Yeah, you know, usually for the gearbox, the output shaft, we have the different type, the short lift shaft, the output shaft,
Yeah.
and usually for output shaft, we can, the hollow bore, we can with the shrink disc. Yeah.
Oh, so for the output configuration, we also have many ways, like a solid
Yes.
output shaft and a hollow output shaft.
Yeah.
For the hollow output shaft, it can come with a shrink disc.
Yeah, Maya, do you know the principle of the shrink disc?
I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
Yeah.
Can you explain it for me?
Yeah, for this shrink disc, yeah, we need to first to tightening the strength, high strength bolts, and then the friction and the press will be generated,
Okay.
and then the shaft and the hub will be close matched,
Okay.
and then the enough friction will be generated, and it too can transmit the torque.
Okay, let me repeat your words, what my understanding. So the working machine will have a solid output inside the
Yes.
hollow one. Then you can tighten the screw here
Yes.
to give more press.
Press
them
yeah,
tightly.
and will generate the friction.
So that will be can success to transmission the torque.
Yes.
Okay, thanks. Finally, I know what that means. Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
go.
these are some NGW series planetary gearbox. You
Okay.
can see there are many the same gearbox. Actually, this is very popular in the market. Yeah,
Okay, this is our NGW planetary gearbox.
yeah,
also.
planetary gearbox.
So we have
Yeah.
so many different planetary gearbox.
Yes, this
So what's
is
this advantage?
advantage. Yeah, it has many advantages. That's why it's popular in the market.
Okay.
Yeah, for first, it has a very big ratio, and
Big ratio.
yeah, and
Uh-huh.
high torque.
High torque.
Yeah, and the second is the volume is small,
Okay.
So-
big ratio, high torque,
high torque,
smaller volume.
small volume. So yeah, it can save the material and then save the cost.
Okay,
Yeah, so it's
that's right. Okay, so which industry can be applied here?
Actually, this gearbox has many different applications. Like for and different industries can use it, like the heavy industry, the mining industry,
Mining,
yeah, the cement industry,
cement,
yes, and the metallurgical can also use
metallurgy.
metallurgical, yeah, metal.
Metallurgy. Okay, metallurgy industries. Okay. See, there are three the air breaths, right?
Yes, because there are three stages, yeah.
Well,
So
it's different air breath types.
yes,
Wow, so cute this one. This one is so cute.
yeah, let's camera near
The air breath hole here, still
Yeah.
very small.
Yes.
But it comes with three air breath here.
yeah, so
Okay.
it's enough.
Okay, it's enough. Let's go. I already show some.
Okay,
very
let's
special.
show another one.
Yeah. Okay.
And look here. Yeah, this is also a ZY series gearbox.
Okay.
But you can see clearly the color is different with the
Why it's white?
Yeah, this is because our clients like this color. Yeah.
Okay, so our client choose this white color.
Yeah, so we do this color for them.
Okay, that's very
Yeah, this-
special actually.
Yeah, this is a back order, and you can see behind this one.
Oh yeah,
it's
that's 1, 2. Yeah, that is so large
a different
quantity.
model. This
Oh.
is for cement industry.
Cement.
Yeah,
Line.
should be 5 production line.
5.
Yeah, 4
line.
production line. They all use our gearbox.
Okay, that's so great. And this come with I think a 2-stage, right?
Yes, you are right. 2-stage.
Oh, I see some different here. What's this pipe or tube for?
Yeah, this is a cooling tube. This is a tuber cooler.
Tuber cooler.
Yeah, tube cooler. Actually,
cooler, yeah.
when we need to cool the or when we need to add the cooling system, yeah, there are about four common cooling system.
Well, there are also 4 different types of cooling
Yes,
system.
this is only one of them, and we also can add the fan cooling.
Okay, so tube cooler, fan cooling.
And also the lubrication oil station.
Oh, lubrication oil station.
Yes.
Another 4th?
And another, we can also have a plate cooling system.
Oh, plate cooling system.
Yeah.
So 4 different, right?
Yeah. If who want to have interest in the plate cooling system, you can leave message to us. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, we are not only the gearbox manufacturer, we also offer different cooling system solution for you.
Yes, you're right.
So can you give me an instruction for how the tube cooler works?
Yes. Yeah, that's the camera here.
Okay,
you can see.
Camera is a little busy.
You can see here is the electric motor and the pump.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the power source, and when it's working, the oil will come out from here, and then it can reach first. Yeah, first reach here. Yes, and through the pump, it can go, and then
go up.
Yeah, go up, and then it can reach the tube. And the tube has two holes. You can see here. This is to add the water.
Oh, so it's a cooling water
cooling. Yeah.
Oh,
you can see this is the inlet and the outlet. The water will first into
going
here.
inside.
Yeah, and out at this hole.
Okay.
And when the oil into this tube, and the water will bring the heat.
Okay, great.
And reach a cooling result.
Okay, that's so wonderful. So after the water cooling, the oil will go through different pipe, go to the different
these are some lubricate point, and to lubricate the bearing and the gear.
Yeah, I got that. So wonderful and so amazing, actually. Different cooling system here.
Yes.
So are we finished here?
Yeah. Okay. Now then, let's go to next one.
Let's go to next one. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's go. You can see there are many different types of gearbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, the NGW series and the ZY series.
Because now in our warehouse, we usually cover the plastic bag for the clean, also for shield the dust, right?
Yes.
So we didn't open them. It means that this is our real
warehouse. Yes.
Yeah, we also
and look here. And look here, this is also a ZY series gearbox.
Yeah, it's a parallel shaft.
Yeah, it's a parallel gear.
Okay. This input shaft is so.
Yes, and in another side, it has an output shaft.
Yeah. But I think also it's a standard one.
Yes, it's also a standard gearbox. So yeah, you can follow our camera, see the design. And next one.
Let's go. Let us follow the channels here to see more different gearbox.
Yes, they are all finished.
This one is open here yet.
Yes. Yeah, you can see this is a customized design. You can see it has
Customized design where it is
input shaft.
two
Yeah.
input
Shaft.
solid input shaft,
Solid
right?
input shaft. You can
Okay,
see
let's
this is the
compare.
first one, and another side can see
Another
yeah
input
can see
shaft.
another shaft.
Okay.
You can see there is also oil outlet, and it will connect with lubricate oil station.
Oil station,
Yeah,
oil inlet.
yeah, oil in it, and through the tube.
Okay.
Yeah, it can lubricate the gear and also the bearing.
Also the bearing.
Yeah, Maya, do you know what's this? Here.
Oil glass.
Yeah, oil
Let's
glass.
go.
Yeah, you go.
We are more this way. We have more big. We will show you here.
Yeah.
Well, this is the spline, right?
Yes, this is the spline.
This is the spline.
Yeah, a customized design.
Oh, this is very huge. What's that for?
Yeah, this is for construction industry.
Okay, for
Yeah, for a
construction.
tamping machine.
Tamping machine.
Yes, you are right. You can see. Yeah,
Wow,
Maya,
that's
do you
a
know?
strange structure.
Yes.
Is that output hollow output shaft too? Double?
Yes.
No.
No, it's the double input.
Oh, double input.
Yeah, it will connect two drive.
Two drive.
Yeah, and but it only have one output. Yeah, it's in the
Down.
yeah, it's in the
bottom.
down.
Okay, I see. This is what forward.
Yeah, this is the oil level indicator, and it can also indicate the temperature. You can see the temperature here,
Temperature also.
and it also can indicate the oil level.
Oil level.
Yeah, it have two effects.
Okay, great. I'm so curious about this lubrication system. Can you give me a brief about that?
Yes, of course. You can see this is an electric motor, and this pump, and it has the power source.
Okay.
And through it, the oil can come out from the gearbox, and then lubricate the bearing.
Bearings.
Yes, and to another side.
Well, so special, right?
Yes, it's a
So
special design.
Okay, let's go to next. Whoa.
Yeah, for this one, it's very big one.
It's very long, right?
Yes, this is for the steel mill industry. Yeah, and
Which kind of equipment?
for equipment with Java straightener.
With global straightener.
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
It's very special, right?
Yes.
So what's this hole for? Hole
Yeah,
here?
this hole is
There
for
has
the
two.
water. Yeah. Actually, for this gearbox, it has two housing.
Two
Yeah.
housing.
Yeah.
I just see one here.
Yeah. Inside is a complete gearbox, and the outside is like a shell. Like a shell. Yeah,
Oh.
like a shell,
Oh.
and the water will follow in it.
Oh, you mean that inside is a complete gearbox with
Yeah.
housing, and outside is just like a water shell, and the water will flow in between the inner house and outer house, right?
Yes.
To
And
reach
then-
the water cooling.
Yes, you are right.
Okay, so great. It's amazing design. Oh, also I find too little like
Yeah, this
antenna.
yeah, this is air breather. Yeah, you
air
can.
breath. Let me see different. Wow, it's screw it out. Wow, it's very special. Why that is so long? I can see there is some hole here and
Yes.
for air breath. But why this is so long?
Yeah, this is old design.
Old design.
Yeah, this can indicate the oil level. Just put it into the gearbox, and you can see the oil level.
Oh,
Yeah.
I mean, there is some two mark. That
Yeah.
means when the oil inside, you put this inside, the oil will have some mark here, right?
Yes, you are
So
right.
you can read the oil level.
Yeah, actually, this gearbox is a vertical type, and it will be
Vertical.
vertical type.
Oh, so
yeah.
this we will the top.
Yes.
And that way will be the bottom, right?
Yes.
Okay, so interesting. Let's seek more interesting thing here.
Yeah.
So we have many different special designs for high-end customization.
Okay, next one.
Whoa! It comes with the giraffe neck.
Yes.
Giraffe neck.
Yes, this is also a special design of this gearbox. You can see this air pressure is very longer,
Yeah,
very
why?
long. Yeah.
Is there any reason?
Yeah, this is because when the gearbox running, the speed very fast and the oil will splash up from this design is to prevent the oil splash up from here.
Oh,
yeah.
this design because to keep the splashed oil inside.
Yes.
Do not come out the air pressure.
So
Right?
yeah, so we do this design.
Okay, that's so wonderful. And let's
Okay,
go.
next one.
We will find more interesting gearbox here. You will see the so large scale gearbox and different kind of gearbox here.
Yes.
Oh, we saw some
Yeah, okay.
interesting. Wow. It's just like a large snail.
Yes, this is backstop.
Backstop.
Yeah, but installing the output shafts.
Oh.
So you can see it's very big. Yeah, because output shaft the load is very large. Yeah, so we need to.
Okay.
Usually for the backstop installed in the output shaft, we will use the foot mounting. Yeah, because it load is very big. We need to fix it very well.
Yeah, we can imagine that because the output shaft is big with the high torque.
Yes.
So we need a bigger size of backstop.
Yes.
So with the bigger backstop, we must with the foot mounted.
Yeah, foot mounting and the fixed wall. Yeah.
I find there are two input shaft.
Yes. Yes.
There one.
Yes, you are right. Yeah, actually, this is also to connect with the auxiliary drive. Yeah, this is our client's requirement. Yeah, so we do this design for them.
So this shaft will be a motor.
Yeah, will be motor connect.
That will be connected with
the
auxiliary drive.
Yes, when we need to maintain, this shaft will be used. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
Okay, the next one.
Okay, that's the backstop.
Also
torque
backstop.
arm, mounted.
Yeah, but you can see this is different with that one.
Okay, I got. Let's go. We have more and more gearbox to introduce. Oh, this one.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, you can see this is also this gearbox, the hollow.
Shaft,
it's also hollow shaft. Yes, you can see
here.
this is a shrink disc.
Because during these days we have more and more customer ask for the hollow output shaft with the shrink.
Yeah,
disc,
so
right?
we'll show this for you. Yeah, you can see the hollow shaft with the shrink disc.
Oh, this gearbox is also the right angle shaft structure, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Here with us.
Yeah, you can see many different kinds of gearbox. Yeah, this shaft, this is the output shaft.
Yeah, but very long.
Yes, it's a customized design according to the clients.
It comes with two.
Yes.
See there
double
another
output
side
shaft.
also have the.
Yeah, this is one output shaft, and another side is a.
See
the second.
here. Two double output shaft.
Yeah, double output shaft.
With the different stage.
Yes, and
Different
it's also with a key, you can see.
Yeah, with the key.
Yeah.
Key here, right? So we have so many different things.
Gearbox.
Here.
Okay. Yeah. Next we'll show you another one.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Our camera cannot catch up with us.
Yeah, they want to show you more about our gearbox details.
So we just give more different application gearbox here.
Yes.
It's the standard one. We won't give more introduction, right? Like this one.
Yeah, you can see this gearbox is also for the steel mill.
Steel
but-
mill.
Yeah, but for the different application. It's for the ladle car. The working.
Ladle?
Yeah, ladle car.
Ladle car.
Yeah, it's for the working machine ladle car.
Working machine like ladle car is carrying the still water, like
Yes.
still liquid. Cannot still water, it's still liquid, right? So, okay, I got that. So it's amazing.
Yeah, the special design is this. Yeah, you
What's
can.
this?
Yeah, this is the technical.
No, mechanical pump.
Mechanical pump. Yeah.
Mechanical.
Yeah, you can
Okay.
see this pump will rotate with the gear.
Shaft
Yeah,
inside.
gear shaft inside, and when the gear shaft rotates, this pump will rotate.
Work together.
Yeah. Yes.
Meantime, at the meantime. it
Yes,
will
and then the oil will go out. Yeah, with the
go inside.
yeah
this
go
way.
inside this way.
Okay, that's so amazing. So this is a mechanical pump,
Mechanical
right?
pump.
Okay, let's go for more interesting ways.
Okay, let's go.
So many things that we would like to give more
Yes.
introduce, but
So many different kind of gearbox.
this one is very interesting here.
Yes.
So this gearbox is still in painting.
Yes.
It's semi-product. We will see its special structure. This is applied in which equipment?
This is also for the steel mill and the waste saw straightener. But
Okay.
you can see it different with before that one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The different structure, this
Yeah.
shape.
Yeah, because also the application as that one, the bigger one,
Uh-huh.
yeah, waste saw straightener, but
Okay.
the shape is different.
Okay, I see. So we can offer different design for the different
Yes.
application.
Yes, according to our customers, the requirements, yeah, we will to design the different shape and also different for the different applications and the different.
Okay.
Okay.
So I think one down here, right?
Yes.
One finish here.
Yes.
So-
The next hour, another two colleagues will show you more about our gearbox market, supermarket. Okay, now let's welcome them.
So welcome Cassie and Marcia. It's your turn.
Welcome.
Fighting.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
auto shaft design. The auto shaft with a gear, with a solid with a gear, input shaft gear, and we can make the housing based on customer requirement.
Well, yeah, I know that the housing have different the casting process. Generally speaking, for AOKMAN standard housings, they are produced by the casting process because we have existing models.
Okay.
Yeah, but if customer have the special requirement, we can also provide the welding steel plate.
Okay,
Yeah,
I see.
because the steel plate have the strong load capacity than the
Okay.
normal casting process.
Yeah, so one question, Marcia. If we still have the molding, but customer want to make the housing welded steel instead of the cast iron, could we make it?
Yeah, no worry.
Okay.
Yeah, we can also do as per customer requirement to provide the welding steel plate for customer.
Okay, I see. So that means if we need higher strength, we can use the cast iron. The standard cast iron, we can use the steel welded plate housing, right?
Yeah, correctly.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Okay, let's move forward.
Thanks to follow us to see our AOKMAN supermarket of the
Oh,
Gearbox.
Marcia, you can see this one. This color is very beautiful.
Yeah, it's very beautiful. It's a special. It's also the customer-made color.
Oh, like a spring color.
Yeah, because our standard color is blue.
Oh, very fresh.
Yeah,
okay.
this color is a little green, a little
green, blue,
and
green,
blue.
and light
yeah, just
blue.
a mixture.
Wow.
It's very special.
Yeah.
Another special part is
Yeah, I can see you. Yes, a different output shaft compared with that one.
Yeah,
Not a solid shaft, not the gear, but with the splines on output shaft.
Yeah, it's different from the other two. Just we saw the solid shaft and the gear shaft, and this is we call it the output spline.
Oh, so the spline means that equipment will have the same designs that connect together very well, right?
Yes, and the spline will have the strength or much strength than the normal flat key.
Oh, I see. If the output shaft on one case, the locate capacity focus on a K, but if we have so many splines, that means the force will be even.
Yes, and it will be have the strong bearing face. Yeah.
Oh, that means the capacity, load capacity, becomes stronger.
Yes, strong load capacity here.
Okay, I see.
Yeah.
Thank you. And it seems there are two air brushes.
Yeah, we have two air brushes here. Normally they have one, but this have two. If we have more air brusher, then it will help to the heat dissipation.
Okay.
Yeah, as we know that the gear inside will generate a lot of heating. So if we have more air brusher, then the heat will be the heat will be dissipated very quickly and very fastly than only one.
Yeah, I see. Because there are three stages of the gearboxes.
Yeah.
1, 2,
1,
3.
2, 3. Yeah.
I think the ratio should be very higher. That means output torque should be higher.
Yeah.
That's why they use the spline output shaft and use the two air brushes.
Yeah, correctly.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, can see that there are double input.
Oh, double input shaft.
Double input the solid shaft.
Okay, I see. So
is the
one on this side, another one on that side.
It's also the customer-made requirement.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe it will be connected or equipped with their own working machine.
Okay. So, more details information we received from customers. We know their project background better. We give more suitable solution for them.
Yeah, correctly. If customer provide more information, except the technical data, we need to know more about the working conditions,
Okay.
especially in their factory plant locations.
Oh, that's why.
If customer can provide their application, the photos and the videos, yeah, then we can design or we can provide our best solutions.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Yeah, let's move forward. Oh, so many industry units.
Hi, can see this is the one I just see the gear output shaft.
Okay, yeah, like the before one, the gear, the output shaft with gear.
With the with the
It
girth
connected with the
gear.
goods gear.
With the girth gear.
Oh, may I
The
know?
large part of the bulk orders. they are
Yeah.
for delivery too.
Okay, may I know which industry and equipment will be used? This equipment, this shaft design.
This generally they are used in the mining.
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 Rotary clean.
Sorry, pardon.
The rotary clean in the mining.
Yeah, the rotary clean in the mining.
Okay, so there's gears there, as you mentioned before. You connect with the gears and rotate the rotary clean together.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Wow. It seems we have so many gearboxes, the candidate, and there are some.
Yeah, and on my left hand, they are used in the Korean equipment.
Yeah, I see.
And they have different the mounting ways.
Yes, we have many gearboxes for Korean. This one, yeah. You know, before we ship out the gearboxes, we cover with the plastic bag to protect the dust.
The dust, yeah.
Yes. So, Marcia, I see this one is very special design. Could you tell us more about this gearbox?
Yeah, this special design is used in Korean equipment. Yeah.
Oh, Korean equipment.
Yeah, we also call it the lifting and hoisting industry. So we can see that. Yeah,
Okay.
we can see their mounting way is very special.
Oh, how special, please?
Yeah, it's the vertical.
Oh, so it can be mounted vertical?
Yeah, vertical we can see that there are, we call it the 3 points.
Oh, 3 supporting
This
points.
is 1 point there.
Okay,
And then
1
this,
point.
Yeah, this is 2 points here.
Oh,
Yeah, we call it the 3 points to locate the working ways.
okay. So may I understanding that this gearbox can be mounted vertical and can be mounted horizontal,
Yeah, horizontal.
or some special degrees, degrees?
Generally, there are only 2 types for mounting ways.
I see several applications for this gearbox, mounted horizontal, vertical, and some different special degrees, such as the cranes used inside of factory. So usually there are more than 2 methods.
Yeah. There-
Okay.
And we also see this is special part.
Oh
This is
yeah, I see that output shaft with not complete.
just the half one.
Why?
Yeah, because the customer working machine they have another half. So when they work together, then the other will be put here, then to be around.
Oh, I see. So the another part will connect with equipment. Then they use the part 1 to connect the gearboxes.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, very smart idea.
Yeah, you see, this is the input shaft,
Uh-huh.
and this is the output shaft, and
Oh, even this is very small. The housing is not a cast iron, it's welded steel,
yes,
right?
Yes, it's a wild steel housings.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because-
Marcia, yeah, I see. I received so many inquiries that we, because our Korean gearboxes like this, QY series are very popular. So many customers want to know why all these items so popular.
Yeah, because it is the hard to surface.
Hard to the
Yeah.
gear surface.
Yeah, hard
Uh-huh.
to gear surface. So it has the strong load capacity than others.
Oh, okay, I got it. So may I know if I compare with the softer tools, this gearbox set can be smaller, right?
Oh, I see. I know what you mean. Because it's the special, the housing, the design on the same sizes, and this kind of QY can have the smaller size. It means have the smaller, compact size.
Okay.
So this will save a lot of material and money for customer.
So that's so my answer, my question would be, the answer should be, if I select this item, I can choose 2 or 3 sizes smaller than suppose choose
Yeah,
one.
exactly.
Oh, got it.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
save lots of money. This means.
Yeah. Wow. And I see the
This is the lubrication.
yeah, this motor and pump.
Yeah, this is the motors, and this is the part,
Uh-huh.
and this is lubrication pipe.
Oh, why we have this system?
Yeah, because the lubrication is a very important part for the gearbox working. So we have different lubrication system for customer. This is for the oil pump. We also have another for the oil lubrication station.
Oh, so I think my question should be, okay, let me explain that clearly. So the question is, why we use this system? I think it's because this is vertical, as mentioned, because it's vertical mounting. So that's why this be on the bottom, and this one on this item, this side on the top. So when you lubricate the bearing and shaft here, bearing of the input shaft, that's why we use this system, right?
Yeah, because their lubrication system is different as different the mounting ways. For the horizon mounting ways, you will need the little oil. Vertical mounting ways, you will have higher lubrications. So
Okay, I got it. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, because the bearings of the input shaft cannot be lubricated with vertical mountings. That's why we use this system. We put oil from bottom to the up to lubricate the bearings to prolong the gearbox working life. I think that this is a smart idea of this system.
Oh yeah, Cassie. Yeah.
Okay.
I remember that our last live show for our the larger gearbox, we have to lubricate the gears and the bearings.
Okay.
And
yeah, I see. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, next one. Wow, Marcia. Wow. How like this? This one is so special. Please tell us more. Yeah,
just
what's
like
this?
a right angle.
Yeah, like right angle. What's this item for?
This is a planetary gearbox.
Oh, planetary gearbox.
Yeah, planetary gearbox. We also used in the cement and the mining industry.
Okay. So what's the application will be?
It's sometimes used to be in the roller price.
Okay, let me explain this. Okay, I think I'll be more familiar than Marcia for this one. So let me give you some more introduction about this. As I can see, this one with the right angle, the planetary gearboxes, and with the motor base frame. Usually, this item will be used for the stacker reclaimer. Stacker reclaimer usually can use it for mining, cement, sugar market, sugar industries. Because this one you have very large ratios, that means the output torque should be very large. And we use the planetary gearboxes because planetary gearboxes provide a very large torque range and a ratio range for the system. Compared with the parallel, the helical systems, the mounting dimensions should be very small. And you can see there has a frame. The frame will connect the motor. Even the gearboxes is standard one. We can make the frame for customers. Then it's more easier for them to install the motor together. It's more convenient for them after purchasing this item, the whole system. Otherwise, they need made the frame, the base frame on their side.
Okay, Cassie, can you know what is this?
Yeah, I think it's an oil tank for the whole system because this one is how to say?
Vertical mounted.
Yeah, it's a vertical mounted. That's why we need the oil tank to spray the oil on the input side, the bearings to lubricate the bearings of input shaft.
So this is the input shaft.
And yeah.
On this end is the output
Yes.
shaft with the spline.
Yes. Lillian, could you give me more? Yeah, camera please. And And as we told you that it will be used for stacker reclaimer, the ratio usually is over 700. So the load capacity for the whole system is very big. We use the spline output shaft here to increase the load capacity. Yeah, you can see. And there is the plate with a bolt fastened to the plate. It can be used with a pulley or belt to keep it on the side of this, so it won't move outside.
Oh, that means the customer will have special locations that will put there.
Yes.
Okay, Cassie, thank you for giving me a
Yeah.
lesson.
Okay. For planetary gearboxes, even in China or around the world, there are several, the suppliers sell them. It's not so many suppliers for the such planetary gearboxes because it requires high precision, requires the design, the manufacturing, the machining, and all the screens, much screens invested on this item. And we can provide planetary gearboxes with very wide range, with very large torque to provide, because we focus on heavy duty applications.
Okay, Cassie, I know you mean there are only several factories that can produce so big planetary in China.
Yeah.
But AOKMAN is one of them. We have the ability.
Yes, we have the ability to design, produce the gearboxes.
Okay, this is a very special structure of planetary gearbox. It is used for the stocking and reclaimer the materials, and used in different industries such as the mining and the cement.
Yes.
And this is we can also call it the right angle.
Right angle. You can see
angle.
this one the output shaft, and this one the input shaft.
The shaft. Okay, input the shaft.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. This is the motor frame.
Yes.
Hook the motor. And this is a compensation on your top.
Yes.
And this black one is the air pressure.
Yes.
Air pressure. Yeah, when they are installed, we will put it upside down.
Yes.
Upside down. Yes.
We add one bevel gear for this planetary gearboxes. Then we have right angles.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Well, there are three the customer ordered a batch of the.
Yes. Because the stacker reclaimer is very popular for heavy duty applications as well. And Marcia, I see another two pairs. One pair.
1 pair and a half.
One pair. Yeah. No, one pair. One pair planetary gearboxes. You can see from this side.
Okay, so it's my turn. Okay.
Yeah, please tell us more about this one.
Okay, we can see that there are double planetary.
Okay.
Yeah, we call it the double planetary gearbox. The name of it.
Yeah, what industry and equipment?
Yeah, they are used in the cement and the mining industry. Used for the special equipment, and we call it the aluminum plant.
Aluminum plant.
Yeah, aluminum plant.
But I see there are two output shafts and two planetary working together. So what is the special purpose?
There are special structure.
Structure for what purpose?
Special structure for the special equipment. We call it the casting and rolling machine.
Oh, casting and rolling.
Yeah, and the working machine, the casting and the rolling machine, they will work together. So we have two gearbox here.
Oh, they work together to press the aluminum ingot into plate.
Into the plate.
Okay,
Yeah,
I see.
We also see that this is the output end. It's very special. So we call it this is the coupling.
Yeah.
Coupling. Sometimes the output shaft will together with the working machine. And this coupling have special purpose. Have a special purpose, and the first to translate the torque, and the second to reduce the vibration and the shock. So, if a customer has the special requirement of the coupling, we have to know the diameter. We have to know the coupling diameters. and another technique called datas.
Oh.
We see it, they are not in a line.
Oh, I see. So it's not in the center line. It have angles. So because of the application.
That's special because there are rollers
Uh-huh.
and the wheel at the same time.
Uh-huh.
And the rollers maybe they working in this ways.
Oh, the press
just the
aluminum
gas.
ingot.
Yeah, just the gas.
Yeah, I see. And did you show us different output configuration for planetary gearbox?
Yeah, there are
Many kinds of the
There are
output.
AOKMAN provide different kinds of output configuration for
Okay,
customer.
please.
And for including the solid shaft output.
Oh, solid one.
Yeah, and the solid shaft with key.
Oh, with key.
Yeah, with a flat key.
Okay.
And the solid shaft with spline.
Oh, the solid shaft with spline, as we see just now.
Yeah.
Oh.
And for output, it can equipped with the shrink disc.
Oh, so hollow shaft with a
hollow
string
shaft,
disc.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the hollow shaft can also with the spline.
Oh, so they have a spline inside of
yeah,
it.
inside
Okay, I
the
see.
spline.
Wow, so many special designs. And Marcia, I think I have seen this one yesterday live show. It's a red color.
Yeah, exactly. Good memory.
Yeah.
And yesterday afternoon, we have a live show. Yeah, we saw it's in red color.
Yeah.
It's the semi-finished part, and AOKMAN have strict the painting process. And the first step is for the primer painting.
Primary painting.
Yeah, primary painting in white color.
Oh, white color.
Yeah, and the second step is in the anti-rust or rust-proof painting.
Oh, anti-rust.
Red color.
Okay, red
and
paint.
yesterday we saw it is in red color, the second step.
Oh, rust-proof painting in red color.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is the third step, the finished surface painting. For our standard color, the blue color.
Oh, so this is finished one. So it's ready for delivery.
It's ready for delivery. It's very, you can't touch it. It's very smoothly and even and glossy.
Yeah, I love this color. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
It looks the gearbox very strong and durable.
Yeah. Sometimes we call this color clay blue.
I think many people like this, love this color.
Yeah.
So many gearboxes with such color paintings.
Yes, exactly. Cassie, do you find any special about the outline frame?
Oh, I think this one is still welded.
Yeah.
The welded frame.
Yeah, sometimes we call it the planetary carrier.
Oh, planetary carrier.
Planetary carrier. Yeah, because just like giving them outside the house to protect it. And you know that it's not our casting process. It's the welding steel plate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we can make the planetary carrier, the mounting plate,
and
the mounting
motor,
frame,
the motor bracket.
Oh, the motor bracket.
Yeah.
Okay, Marcia, before we move forward, I see this tiny thing. Could you tell us more about this one?
Yeah, you have good eyes on it because it is a drain oil valve.
Oh, drain oil valve.
Drain oil valve. Yeah, because when we start the gearbox, there will be about 200 hours. 300 hours.
Okay.
For the first testing.
Okay, so the first operation, after first operation, 300 hours.
Yeah.
When you replace oil?
Yeah, we have to replace oil, and after that, about the 2,000 hours later, we can calculate if they are worked for 24 hours.
24 hours?
Yeah, it's equals to 3 months.
Oh, so almost 3 months.
Almost 3 months later, we have to change the oil again.
Oh, so that means for the 300 hours we need to replace oil, and after about every 3 months when they replace the fresh oil inside the gearboxes?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Because if we keep this oil circles, then the gearbox will keep the better performance in the long run.
Oh, I see. For such heavy gearboxes, usually the working life is very long, so we need to have better maintenance for these gearboxes.
Yeah,
Then
also-
it will save the customer money and time.
Yeah, exactly. We also have to performance as per the manual book.
Oh, I see. And Marcia, you did not finish the bracket, the motor bracket. Please tell us more.
I just want to see you more. This
please.
is the input shaft, and this is the motor bracket.
Uh-huh.
And from this strip, it's just like the first strip I imagine just like a baby bed, and the second just like a sleeper for babies.
Oh, sleeper for babies. Wow. Yeah, it's most likely.
It's very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting.
I can see if you look at here, this is the input shaft. This is the oil seal.
Oil seal, but it was very thick.
Very thin, but it's the two double oils plus another. We call it the sorry. This is double oil seal. Yeah, plus another. So totally there are 3 layer oil seals.
Oh, I see. I think you told me before. There are 2 layers oil seals and a library's oil seal.
Library.
So there are totally 3 oil seals.
3 oil seal. Thank you for your remind.
Yeah,
I
because-
just forget that word. It's not very easy to remember.
But you are my teacher. You told me before. Okay, please tell us more. Why we add 3 layers oil seal on these gearboxes?
Yeah, because in the aluminum plant, there will generate a lot of dust inside of the gearbox. Yeah, if you have the 3 layer, the 3 oil seals, then it will prevent the dust into the side of the gearbox.
Okay.
And just have the role of the protection.
So that means, okay, I see. So why they are thick? Because there are 3 layers oil inside. So we add 3 layers to prevent the dust entering inside of gearboxes to protect the oil seal. So there will no oil leakage, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Wow.
Even it's just a teeny things, but for AOKMAN, we pay attention to every corner.
Okay, got it. Mercy, I see 2 air brushes like mushrooms.
Yeah. Here it's too high for me.
Yeah, one. And another one on the top, I see before. I think I see before.
There are 2.
Oh, there are 2. That one, the blue one. This one is the black one.
Yeah, as you know that the gear inside the gearbox will generate a lot of heating. And just like we saw in that gearbox before, and the more air pressure will have the more the heating dissipation. It is better for the gearbox running.
Okay, I see. Even the planetary gearboxes with very high precision degrees, but during because the torch is very large, so we add more air brushes for better heat dissipation.
Yeah, very professional explanation.
Yeah, I just make a summary. Thank you.
I can see. Do you know the planetary is very popular in the international market? Yeah, because
I think it's a new trend, right?
It's a new trend. Yeah, because you just mentioned it has save energy. Yeah, I think this is a good trend, and it is widely used in different industries. And so. In different industries, so it will generally replace the traditional vertical mills.
Oh, the helical mills, you mean?
The traditional vertical mill. I'm sorry, the traditional mill.
I think you mean RPG planetary gearboxes will replace the vertical mill in mining industries.
Mining,
but this planetary gearbox is very universal. It can be used for mining, cement, sugar mills, for many industries.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I see. Got it. I got the idea. Thank you.
Okay.
Yes, please. Yeah, Marcia, we have so many planetary gearboxes. I think more and more people realize the planetary gearboxes, even the purchase cost is still a little longer and the production time a little longer. But I think it's worth it to invest on it. Oh, you see the beautiful. Okay.
Yeah, this is the green. Yeah, this is green color.
Yeah, the green color.
From
Yeah.
the blue one.
You like this color?
Yeah.
Wow.
We call it the advanced green colors.
Okay, I see. Wow, the planetary gearboxes.
Oh,
It's so beautiful.
outside. It's smaller.
Okay. It's more clear to see the small one.
It is used in the mining and cement industry for roller press.
Okay.
For roller press equipment.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes they are worked in pairs.
Okay.
Including the left one and the right one.
Okay, I see.
And okay.
And I see with the foot mounted, not similar like that one.
Yeah.
So this planetary gearbox with foot.
With the foot mounted.
Oh, with the foot mounted
with the foot
there.
Mounted,
Mhm.
and just this is the input solid shaft.
Okay, I see.
And the output shaft is also the solid shaft.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. So let's move forward. We have so many things we want to do.
This is one gearbox.
Oh, one gearboxes.
It
Wow,
used
wow, I didn't see so large one gearboxes.
Yeah, before just the smaller size. This
Yeah.
is the larger one.
You always see this one gearbox is very small like this.
Yes.
Yeah, like this shaft, a big size. Yeah, but this one is so large.
Yeah.
What this equipment will be used for?
It used in steel plant.
A steel plant.
Yeah, for the roller machine.
Oh, we have so many gearboxes for steel plant.
Yeah.
Wow.
And we can see that there is this is double output shaft.
Okay.
Yeah, so and only one single input shaft.
Oh, so input one shaft.
Yeah. Input
Okay.
One shaft.
And I see this cooler
Yeah,
there.
this is the fan.
It's a fan.
Here.
So the fan on the input shaft end, you will give the cooling force to cool the warm gearboxes inside.
I think this special design will save a lot of space or it's convenient.
I think yes, because it gave the cooling force to cooling the oil inside of it to provide a higher thermal capacity. Because in steel plant, the thermometers, how to say, thermometers is very hot. The environment is very hot. We need add this one.
Okay, I see reasonable explanations.
Yes.
Yeah, we have different the cooling ways. It's just one of it.
Yes.
Okay. We will introduce another one.
Yes, we have more items here.
Yeah, we will introduce more special ones for customer.
Yes. Oh, Marcia, I didn't see it's a green cups.
Yeah, this color is very special.
Okay. Oh, this one also with the output
With
gear.
Yeah, the gear output. The
Okay.
solid shaft input.
Oh, so the gear will connect with the rotary climb in mining industries.
Yes.
Wow.
And the color is, we also call it the, how to say, the green apple color.
Green apple.
Yeah.
Oh, like green apple. Yeah.
Green apple.
I think the factory owner should be like, maybe very like to eat apples.
Yes.
Okay. Because so many green color gearboxes. And
We are not produce the customer made the different the technical data. We can also custom made different colors. Yeah.
okay. Oh, yeah. Very special color for this.
Hi, Cassie. It's very hot today. I want to have some juice.
You like to drink orange.
Just like orange juice.
So, do you know what this gearbox will be used for?
This used for the mining cement.
Really?
The mining of the
Really?
really
I think it should be for the orange factory.
orange. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you're correct. The orange. Yeah, they will be produce the orange juice.
Really? Yeah, I'm just
Yeah,
kidding.
just to make a joking. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this one because the color very special, like the orange color. Probably the owners like this orange color. And this one is a very heavy gearboxes, but it's still a standard one.
Yeah, it is still our standard gearbox.
Mhm.
So as a production process is by casting.
Wow.
Yeah, and the material is cast iron.
Okay, I see. Wow.
We can see that Cassie, this is very special.
Mhm.
Yeah. Yeah, because just we mentioned before,
Uh-huh.
inside of the gear when they're working, a
Mhm.
lot of heating increased. So we prefer this design to increase the heating area.
Okay.
Yeah, to help the heating dissipate. I said several times.
Okay, no problem, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah, I think the audience maybe remember it already.
Yeah.
The better heat dissipation because with the such designs. Okay, please, Marcia.
Yeah, this is the
Let's show our audience, our customers, friends, more products today. Because the warehouse is very large, so we want to show you more items.
Yeah, on my left hand is electric motors.
So electric motors, electric motor,
Electric motor.
electric roller.
Electric rollers.
Electric rollers. Wow,
Yeah,
so many electric rollers.
They are in different sizes and equipment with the outside motors. And we
Oh, so large one.
it's a large one.
Yeah, it's very large. You can see both of us cannot count it.
They're just 2 meters long.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. So could you tell us more how the electric roller will be used?
Electric rollers will be equipped with a belt conveyor.
About conveyors.
Yeah, belt conveyors.
Uh-huh.
So we can see that it's connected with the motors,
Uh-huh.
and in the middle is the coupling.
Okay. Yeah.
That we also call it the outside motors.
Mhm.
Maybe in the later we will see the motors inside of the rollers.
Okay, please.
Okay,
Yeah.
please follow us.
I think we have so many electric rollers. It should be very popular.
Yeah, it's very popular in the mining and the cement industry, especially for the belt conveyor and the pulley driving system.
Okay. Why is it so popular?
Because it's how to say.
Because it's very low capacity,
Oh.
it's very compact designs, the higher capacity.
High
Yeah, as you told me many
efficiency.
times of it.
High efficiency.
Okay. Oh,
It has a universal applications.
universal applications.
Yeah.
So many applications. If I ask you which industries will be used, it'd be hard for you to answer, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I know it.
That's
Okay, this one.
another special one.
This one, not a single gearboxes, but also
It's also
a gear motor connect with the main gearbox.
Yeah, this is the main drive, and this is the auxiliary drive.
When we will use the auxiliary drive?
So when we have to, when there is something wrong with the main drive, we have to maintenance.
Oh,
Yeah.
so between the gear motor and the main drive, what's the inside? What component inside of it?
Yeah, this is a clutch.
Clutch.
Yeah, clutch. Sometimes we call it the overrunning clutch.
Overrunning clutch.
Overrunning clutch. When the main drive gearbox is working at the normal status, and the clutch will stop.
Okay.
Yeah, when there's something wrong, we have to repair or maintenance the main gearbox. Then the motors will start work, and the clutch will open.
Oh, so you mean the overrunning clutch? I got the meaning. Overrunning clutch that because when the gearbox is working, the speed in the input shaft, the speed is same as the clutch. So overrunning the speed limit, over the speed limit, the clutch stop work.
Yes.
But when the gearbox stop, we use the gear motors because you have a ratio. So output speed is slower than the main drive gearboxes.
Yeah. Very
So that's why it can work.
Okay, Cassie, very detailed.
Yeah, because you told me. I just repeat your answer.
Yeah.
And I found this one with air brusher here.
Yeah, it's a black air brusher.
Okay.
This is air glass here. This
Oh.
is AOKMAN standard combinations. We call it the B and K combination.
Oh, so B and K bucket elevator.
Yeah, bucket elevator, and it's the right angle for the main gearbox.
Okay.
This is our K series.
Oh,
the
it's
core and the bevel.
Okay, it's very popular for bucket elevators for
Yeah.
material handling.
It's very popular because it's our professional gearbox for bucket elevators.
Okay, I see. This one is oil glass. Why is it so high? It's on top of a gear.
Yeah, because it's the mounting width is vertical.
Oh, so the mounting method is vertical.
Yeah.
That's why the oil,
Generally,
oil
when the-
level is here.
Yeah, with oil level in the middle, then it will work very well. If below that, we have to fill in more oil.
Okay, usually the oil level is on the center or the lower part of the gearboxes, but this one is on the top because it's vertical mounted. They are still shaft bearings on the top, so we need to spray the oil on the top. Why we have the oil tank here? Because the oil level is so high. When it's spray oils, we need this oil
and
tank.
the oil will not splash out.
Yeah, will go up. It won't just splash out.
Yeah, just like we mentioned
Okay.
Yesterday.
Okay, it's a very smart idea. Oh, Marcia, let's see this one. This one is very special because this one is flat, and on this impulse shaft it has a base frame here, and I see two impulse shafts
Yes.
also with a base frame. Please
Yeah,
tell us more.
exactly.
Yeah.
You know that this special gearbox is used for the garbage hoist.
Garbage hoist.
Also called the waste part, the rubbish waste hoist.
Oh, the waste material hoist.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we can see that for this output, it's always equipped with the encoder,
Oh, encoder.
or the limiter.
Oh, so it will control the garbage truck.
Yeah.
Oh, and there are two impulse shafts. Could you tell us more? One impulse shaft, another impulse shaft. Why we use this special design?
Yeah, because in this part it will equipped with the belt conveyor or the belt conveyor. Because the belt conveyor when it's running, it will be very smooth. Very slipper. No.
I guess someone told me, some salesperson told me that it will use a two brake system for these gearboxes. One with gear with a motor and brake coupling, another one with a brake system.
Oh, sorry, I make a mistake.
Okay.
I know that. One for brake, the other for the brake and the motors and the coupling.
Oh, so we use two brake system for the one gearboxes. Why?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry. Maybe I make a mixture of the.
Yeah, because they look very similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think because the garbage truck or garbage hoist, they should run very precisely. They need to stop very quickly. So they have two brake systems to stop gearboxes very quickly. That's right. I guess it should be yes, because we don't know everything. We are not expert. Our engineers are expert. We are salesperson. We don't know everything, but we guess. Yeah, we guess it's such a functions.
Okay. I will learn a lot after the live.
Okay, no problem. We will ask the engineers later after this live show and tell you more about these gearboxes.
Oh, this is a special design.
Yes. Okay, please.
Okay.
Oh, this one is right angle. It's not a standard one. Also, the welded steel plate gearboxes.
Yeah, the housing is welded steel
Oh,
steel plate.
Marcy, I see this one with a length of this part. I guess someone told me that because the gearboxes modular design. We add, if we want to change the shaft design, we just add the helical bear inside of here to change the directions. If we remove it, it will parallel shaft design.
Okay, you mean that we add a bevel gear inside of
Yeah.
this part?
Yeah.
It will increase one stage.
Yes, not only one stage, but very quickly to change the shaft
Change the
design.
shaft design.
Yeah, without this stage, the parallel shaft design, we add the stage, it will change the shaft to right angles very quickly because it's modular design.
Okay, to change the shaft directions.
Yes. And oh, Marcia, you told me that we have so many electric rollers. And this one, we cannot see the motor outside. Could you tell us more?
Yeah, because this is the motor, also called the motor inside of the roller.
How you identify the motor inside of it?
Oh, because there is a terminal box here.
Oh,
And
wow.
There will be cable inside of it.
Okay, I see. Wow, very smart. So if we see the terminal box outside,
This means the motor is
Inside.
of the electric roller.
when we use such design, compare with the outer design, this inter motor inside of it.
Yeah, if your environment is very harsh, will be a lot of dust generated.
Okay.
Then will you consider to put the motor inside of the electric roller? Then the dust will not enter into the roller easily.
Okay.
It will have the
Oh.
protection rules.
Okay, I see. If the environment has lots of dust, lots of how to say muddy, it's very muddy, it's very dusty,
Yes.
and the environment is very bad, then we can consider use the internal design to prevent the dust or water instead of the electric roller.
Yeah, exactly. We can also provide the customer with the backstop and the couplings.
Okay, I see. Wow, very smart ideas. And Marcia, I think it's a very special design. You can see the output shaft 3-1
Yeah,
and
this
input
used-
shaft 1.
This is used in steel plant.
Steel plant?
Steel plant, there is just only one single input solid shaft,
Oh.
but with three different output shafts.
Wow.
This is also AOKMAN, a special one. It's customer-made type.
Wow.
If you want to know more, yeah, I'm sorry because it's not my case. It's not my customer. It's
Okay.
my workmate's project.
Okay.
Maybe in next we will show you more.
Okay.
It's very special for the output.
I think it should be continuous press or continuous casting applications.
Yeah, exactly. We also their lubrication system, and it's very complicated. A lot of the pads.
Wow.
Yeah, here. Yeah, this means every corner of the gearbox will be lubricated easily
yeah.
and freely.
Yes, so many lubrication oil point locations on the gearboxes, lubricated bearings, the gears inside of it.
And
Wow.
it's also very large. You have the special ships outside.
Okay, I see. It's a very complex one. We have so many custom-made steel plant gearboxes. If such of you, if audience or customers have such requests, you can contact us because we have much experience on these applications.
Yeah.
On such steel, cement, sugar mill, mining, such of that. You can contact us without hesitation.
Yeah, if customer didn't find the one they wanted, it doesn't matter. You can send us the special requirements or send us a drawing to us.
Okay. Wow, Marcia, I see this one is special.
Yeah, it's also AOKMAN.
Yeah. Wow. Of course, yeah. All the gearbox are AOKMAN, and this one I see is a cooling system.
Yeah, the cooling system.
Yeah, the
is
fan. I can see the fan.
Yeah, it's very special because in some countries they are lack of water and the water is very valuable for them. So we use this cooling fan with
for
Okay.
customer.
So the customer required for cooling fan
For the
system.
cooling fan.
Okay, I see. Could you tell me more about this gearbox? Will what equipment, what industry will be used?
Okay. This used in the cement industry for rotary clean.
Oh, rotary clean.
Yeah, rotary clean
Okay, for mining.
for the mining.
Okay, I see. Thank you. And I see there are so many lubrication oil points on the gearboxes.
Yeah.
I think there'll be a pump on the
I
pump
see
system.
that. This is the pump.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is the pump, and this is the motors.
Okay.
This is the cooling fan here.
Uh-huh.
And the pipes is a lubrication system. And
Okay.
we mentioned before,
Mhm.
this pipe is to lubricate the bearing, and this one for the gear,
Mm-hmm.
and this one for the bearing, and this pipe for the bearing. Yeah, this
Okay.
one for the gears.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I see. Oh, Marcia, could you tell us more? This gearbox is so small, but we still cast our welded steel housing for them.
Yeah, because this housing material and the production process is as per customer requirement. If customer want to require this welding
Uh-huh.
steel plate,
Mhm.
then it's okay. AOKMAN can do castings and the welding process
Uh-huh.
for customer.
Okay, I see.
And this color is also very special, just like the orange peel
Uh-huh.
affection.
Okay.
And even the spray paintings can also have the affection of the baking painting.
Oh, it's
So
very beautiful.
Yes, a
It's
little
shining. Yeah.
little shining.
Okay. So the gearbox's thermal capacity is not enough, and we use this additional cooling system.
Yeah, exactly. When the thermal capacity is not enough, we will consider to design or provide the most suitable lubrication and cooling system for customer.
Uh-huh.
Generally speaking, there are about 4 different cooling systems.
Okay.
And, yeah, and one for the cooling fan.
Cooling fan.
And the cooling tube.
Cooling tube.
Also the plate cooling.
Oh, plate cooler.
Also the oil lubrication station.
Oh, okay. Oil lubrication station.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this is just one of it.
Oh, so even the fan cooling is a different type of it, and all look is different.
Yeah, they are different, and they are located in different locations.
Okay.
Yeah, some on the side part,
Uh-huh.
and some on the left, some on the right. It
Okay.
depends on customer space limited.
Okay, I see. So the working condition different. The cooling system should be different.
Yes.
If the thermal capacity is enough, we don't need consider the additional cooling system. But if the thermal capacity is not enough, we will select a suitable cooling system for the whole system,
Yeah.
for the whole gearboxes.
Yeah, exactly.
Uh-huh. And which one is suitable? Do you know which one is suitable for the? I think the different projects require different cooling system, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I see. Hi, Marcia. Wow, you can see these 2 white gearboxes.
Yeah.
I see so many white boxes.
I want to tell you a story here.
Oh, please.
Yeah, as we all know, 2 years ago the epidemic comes. Yeah, the COVID-19 virus.
Uh-huh.
So a lot of companies, a lot of factories, they invest a lot of money in the epidemic prevention material.
Okay.
Yeah, such as the mask.
Oh, the mask.
Yeah, such as the mask. So the customer ordered a lot of gearbox for the mask production line.
Uh-huh.
But after several months later, and the epidemic comes stable, and the mask requirement is going down.
Oh, so the mask requirement production going down.
And the customer only sent us the 30% prepaid.
Oh, they only paid us the down payment 30%.
30, yeah, 30%. And after our gearbox finished, and they have got a big loss.
Oh.
Yeah, because the mask requirement is slowing down. There's no market for mask.
So their investment go away.
It go away.
Okay.
And also for our factory, for AOKMAN, we also have a big loss too. And the customer, because they gave up to pick up the gearbox, because they have no money to pay the balance payment.
Okay, so we have a lot of stock here.
So this is a lesson for us too.
So we bear the loss as well.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, and we have so many gearboxes. If customer asks for the same ratios and the same parameters, they can get a better price for the same items. I think some countries still have the demand for the mass production and same material or same gearboxes requirement.
Yeah, in my opinion, it's a good chance for customer if they want to require this. If they want to require the same specifications. Yeah, because of there are.
We have promotion.
Yeah.
We have promotion.
We have promotion. A big sale on sale.
Oh, so if they have if they have the same models requirement, they can get a better price for the same item. Could you tell us more about the parameters?
Okay, I will tell customers. This model number is ZLYG 225.
Oh, 225.
There are three different ratios.
Okay, please.
And the first is 12.5.
12.5.
Second is 16.
16.
And the third is 18.
18.
Yeah, if customer require this ratio and this model numbers, then we can give a big discount.
Oh, I see.
And they can get the gearbox right away, at once.
Yeah, because we have stock, it's ready for delivery.
Yeah, I think the epidemic prevails will give a lot of affection for our business and for our market.
Yeah.
So everyone wants hope the epidemic will close sooner.
Yeah.
And the customer will come to visit our AOKMAN factory to witness our production process and our inspection process. Also, AOKMAN, the big supermarket for the gearbox.
Yeah, then you can see the gearbox supermarket by yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I want to repeat our technical data and ratio again.
Okay.
So if customer have any inquiry, they can leave a message here. Then we can contact them directly.
Okay.
Okay. The model number is ZLYG225.
Yeah.
The ratio is 12.5 and 16 and 18.
Okay, please.
Okay, let's go on.
Yeah. Marcia, I see a very special gearbox here.
Okay, the last one we want to address. This is a special gearbox used in the coke pusher.
Oh, coke pusher.
Yeah, coke pusher.
Also for coal mine.
Yeah,
coal mining. Okay.
Coal mining pusher.
What it will be used for the coal? You mean you mentioned it. The equipment is coke pusher, and I see their input shaft and output shaft there. It's very large one. So I guess this one will be very large radius.
Yeah. We saw that this is a input solid shaft.
Okay.
As you mentioned before, we add this to to change the shaft direction.
Okay. Yeah.
And this is we also call it the lifting rod.
Oh, lifting hand.
Lifting rod, lifting height.
Lifting rod. Okay.
Have the same function just as an observation hole. Yeah, we can easily to open it and to see inside the conditions.
Okay. Wow. I guess because the environment is very hot, so we need this one, the lifting rod.
Lifting rod.
Okay. Yeah, could you tell us more how we operate the gearboxes?
Let's solve this call.
Okay, no problem.
This is also a new project for us too.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. I think it's more popular for coal mining, but not so familiar for both of us. We need to learn more. Both of us need to learn more about this one.
And in that corner is another gearbox of the
Yeah, oil level and oil drain hole.
It also connected or worked with the coal loader.
Coal loader.
Coal loader.
Hmm.
In another corner, just
Yeah.
the same structure of this one.
Okay, I see. It seems we have so many different applications for mining, coal mine,
Yes.
and steel plant, and copper mining, and sugar mills, and cement, steel plant, and so many heavy-duty applications.
And yesterday, Cassie, do you remember we introduced the large size, a jet size of industrial gear unit? And
Yeah, okay, I see.
and today,
And yeah, today we showed so many different gearboxes inside our supermarket.
Yeah.
In the gearbox supermarket, I think you have visited Costco, Walmart.
Wow.
Yeah, and go shopping in several big supermarkets. But I bet you didn't visit the gearbox supermarket.
it's the first time to experience the gearbox supermarket.
Yeah, I think for most of the customers, their first time. And even our live show come to end, we have still the records to share with you. If you miss our live show, don't worry, you can contact our AOKMAN sales engineer.
Then we will send our link that you can see
Okay.
the playback.
Yeah, we look forward to see you face to face on the live
Okay.
show.
Thank you for your time to watching our live show today.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you next
Bye.
time.